How to put Snapstreak story in Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, simply tap on your chat section over here, and as you tap on chat section, tap on a particular profile that you want to put Snapstreak story of. Then tap on the profile at the top left corner of the screen and then scroll down to the very end. Here you can see different charms over here. So here you can see different options over here. I do not have the Snapstreak option as of now, but if you have it, then all you have to do is just tap on one of it and you'll be able to see the Snapstreak over here. So you just need to take a screenshot and then go back and then tap on the camera icon and then add the screenshot over here. So just tap on the camera, tap on the story and then tap on the story option over here, and that's how you put Snapstreak story on Snapchat. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.